Gen X, let's be honest. We were promised less work with all this tech, but most days it feels like more tabs, more emails, and more chaos. If you've opened ChatGPT or Copilot, typed something in and thought, this should be changing my life, but it's not, this video is for you. I'm the Gen X AI prompt queen, and my specialty is turning AI from a toy into a time-saving machine for people like us. People with real jobs, real responsibilities, and not a lot of patience for fluff. What I see over and over is this: you don't need more AI tools. You need the right prompts and systems that actually fit your workday, your business, and your brain. So, starting in the new year, I'm launching a simple 3-level ecosystem to help you do exactly that. Tier 1 is completely free. Every week, I'll give you a single high-impact productivity prompt you can copy and paste into your AI tool of choice. Think, turn my messy to-do list into a realistic plan. Or, clean up this email in my voice. One prompt, one clear win. No overwhelm. Tier 2 is for those of you already using AI and wanting real structure. I'm calling it the Gen X Productivity Prompt Vault. It's a digital bundle of my best prompts organized into full workflows: weekly planning, email triage, meetings, content, and life admin. If you've ever wished you could just open a document and grab the right prompt for the right moment, that's what this is. And then there's Tier 3, for my action takers who want something built just for them. This is the AI Workday Makeover. Here's how it works. You email or DM me your situation, your role, your tools, and the specific productivity problem you're tired of fighting with. Maybe it's an inbox from hell, meetings that eat your week, or content tasks that never end. Within 72 hours, I send back a custom prompt kit designed just for you. Not a random list of prompts, a little system. You'll get a core set of prompts tailored to your work and tools, a refinement prompt that teaches AI your style and preferences, simple instructions so you know exactly when and how to use each one. You plug it into your AI assistant, and suddenly it's working like a focused, Gen X-friendly productivity partner instead of a novelty. Because this is brand new, I'll be opening a small number of early spots at a beginner-friendly price so I can work closely with a handful of you, collect feedback, and share anonymized before and afters on the channel. So if you've been thinking, can someone just set this up for me? That's what this is. If you want in on this when it launches in the new year, here's what to do. First, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on, because I'll announce the free prompt series and the vault here on the channel. Second, check the description for a link to join the waitlist. That list will get weekly free prompts, early bird pricing on the prompt vault, first access to the limited AI Workday Makeover spots. If you're a Gen Xer who's ready to stop treating AI like a toy and start treating it like your most reliable team member, this is your year. I'm the Gen X AI prompt queen, and your AI-powered, low-stress workday is coming soon.